Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create options in Google Sheets. So I have this displayed here, and I also have this table which has the options. You can also, apply this on another sheet and still use it. So in favorite game, I'm just going to select all of the cells here, go to data validation, and select data range, and you're just going to select all of the games and select OK. Then you're just going to select save, and you're going to do this for favorite color too. So select it, data validation, select data range, select the colors, and you're also going to do that for the favorite food one right here, and select OK and save. And now you can just choose from these options, as you can see, like so, and you can do it for all of it, like so. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!